But we can't be good at everything, can we?
That's true.
Ashlee remembers a lot more things than what I do. And we just can't all be as clever as you, can we?
Always good looking. That's right, Chris.
Sorry, I'm going to laugh now. Okay, see you, Ashlee. Afternoon everyone, it's Friday afternoon, end of the week. Welcome along to another What's Going On at the MX5 Restorer weekly update. Go and well, what's that smell? Go and have a chat with someone burning plastic.
He's been moving stone chip.
Oh, was he?
Yeah.
Here we go. I forgot what button to flip the camera with then. That coffee, Roy?
No, not coffee today.
Red Bull? Or some form of energy drink?
It's not actually, no. It's just squash.
Just turn that down a little bit. So Roy's been getting on with the rebuilding the...
Project Early car.
Yeah, probably should have done more of a project on this one. It just seems to be featuring in the...
Well, we didn't have it for like a year, so...
Yeah.
So
how's things been going?
not too bad. Just slowly...
Engine bay is looking more OEM.
Yeah, Jim's just going through that at the moment.
With bits and pieces in there.
Yeah.
So Jim has been cleaning up. As from the last video, Jim's been cleaning up stuff down there, making things look a bit shinier.
Yeah, that's
What have you?
I've been doing as well.
What have you been
I've
getting frustrated with?
the roof.
The roof.
Yeah, no, I've done the roof now. Beltline trim's back in, roof's back in, bolted it up. We think it's the original roof on the car, so we're going to leave it on there.
Yeah, I think I do remember sort of looking at this. And
So the trims that holds the metal brackets that hold all the roofing were very, very corroded. So I've had them all out, sanded them down, primed, repainted them, just to make it look nice.
yeah,
I'm just going through the interior at the moment. So that's what it was all like in here. All down there.
so is that before?
Yeah, and this side.
Oh, that looks lovely.
Had a good going over.
Nice and blick.
Yeah, the seats are wet.
Been heavily
They've been heavily bricked.
foam cleansed.
They have, yeah. They were very dirty.
It's come up lovely, actually, isn't it? It's starting to look like a completely different car.
It is.
But that's what you get for having a car. I think me and Gareth were talking earlier on, and we think it's possibly about 5 years
Yeah.
we've had this car hanging around for.
Long time. Between you and Gareth, anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah, so just back together, minus the number plate panel.
It's on you're on the home straight with it now, really, aren't you?
Pretty much. Once the engine bay's back together, we'll then put the front wings and the front bumper on.
I think we're
doing
still waiting for them to be painted anyway.
Front wings?
Yeah.
They're in there.
Oh, are they?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, they are, aren't they? They're in the
Everything's
staff
done.
room.
The only thing we're waiting for from the body shop is the rear plinth. Front bumper skins there, that needs to be rebuilt. But we won't put any of the front end back together until the engine bay's done, it's up and running and finished.
Yeah, it's virtually there though, isn't it?
It is getting
It's
there.
looking good though.
It is getting there.
There's a bonnet shot there.
I'll have to,
Headlights don't look too good at the moment though.
no, they'll be replaced.
They're a bit out of sync.
Yeah. The actual lenses, we're replacing the units because they're rusty. Then once it's done, I'll give it a good wash and a really good polish up.
Yeah. Cool.
We need to change the wheels as well. We're going to put daisies back on it.
Yes, the wheels are being changed. And
these things are horrible and they weigh a ton.
yeah, you're right, there will be daisies that will be going on there, and they're going to get them cleaned. Nice set of daisies.
Yeah.
The stock
It'll be nice when
OEM.
it's done.
So there'll probably be another video on this, and maybe another couple of more videos, and then I'll probably do a dedicated video on it. But I'd say if anyone's watching this video and is interested in owning an early production full respray engine bay MX5, all those work's done, then give us a call, we can chat. It will be, once it's all done, it will be going up for sale. I'm not going to talk about prices yet because me and Gareth have been sort of looking into it, what is realistic for it in terms of, because of its pedigree, and it's also an F-Reg MX5, which is a little bit more unique, more probably just a DVLA error when registering, but
And the fact that it's cleaner underneath than most newer ones as well.
oh yeah, I mean the reason for, one of the reasons why Gareth bought this car, went to own anyway, was because it was so clean. And then we always wanted to do this with the car, but just didn't get round to it.
That's because you had minimal staff back then. And now you've got the most best staff in the world.
But you will. Hang on.
And there is others as well.
See,
I'll come down a bit.
yeah, we have others, but I was just doing that as having a bro moment.
A bro moment.
Cool.
Yo, bro.
Yo, bro. All right. Cheers, bro.
All right, bro.
Laters, bro.
What?
Yeah. Keep going. Lick. So Jim, I'm blacking things. He's blacking things. He's these are for the red one, aren't they?
Yeah, just old brackets. And
Makes a
bits and
difference when you do all this.
bobs. That looks really nice, man.
I've pretty much run through with everything over there with Roy, so
Cool.
I can just get another quick action shot of you doing stuff.
It's suffocating myself.
It is a bit,
Yeah, all right.
it is a bit potent around here. All right, cheers, Jim. Where's Ashlee gone?
He's smart.
Yeah, walk away now. Walk away now.
Alright.
Yeah. What are you up to then?
Prodding you with this.
Oh my god! Right, let's get straight to it because I've got another I've got to get this video done. So what's happening here?
Stuff. Well,
Come on.
nothing at the moment because I can't make any noise because you've got the camera out.
So this wasn't on the last video, was it?
I can't remember.
I don't think it was. Was it?
I can't remember.
Seal repair, inner seal.
Yeah, seal repair in the seal.
As you can see, Ashlee's put the panel on. Nice weld there, Ash.
It's alright.
You nearly don't actually need any filler on that.
Yeah, I do.
Well, a little bit, but not bad. The amount of your saliva.
I've done better.
Well, I wasn't going to say anything about that, but oh dear, we'll skip on that one, shall we?
Yeah, let's just edit that out.
You love filler work, don't you?
Edit that out.
Baking a cake. Ashlee hates filler work, especially the first layer.
No, the first layer's alright.
Oh, you like the
It's
first
every
layer?
layer afterwards.
It's every layer afterwards.
Every layer afterwards where it doesn't get any better.
Okay, all right.
It's alright, you'll inevitably be just sorting it out for me anyway.
Yes, I do actually. I quite often sort Ashlee's filler work out for him. But we can't be good at everything, can we?
That's true.
Ashlee remembers a lot more things than what I do. And we just can't all be as clever as you, can we?
Always good looking. That's right, Chris.
Sorry, I'm going to laugh now. Okay, see you, Ashlee. Right, so what I've been doing is getting Keenan's car ready for him, and coincidentally, there he is. So I got the car ready this morning, taking it for a test drive. Everything seems to be okay. It's boosting at about 0.5 bar, which is about 7 psi, so it's only equal psi at the moment. But Keenan's got plans to take it to MTech, which on somewhere I've recommended to him to take, because obviously MTech, part of Motorsport Electronics, Mk2.5 knows the MX5 inside out, so it's a good place to go. And you're going to probably get some more boost on it, aren't you?
Yeah.
So I think he's going to get a boost control solenoid on there, get them to put that in, and then get some more power. Happy days, eh?
ready for the track.
So have you been excited to get it back?
I've been so excited. I've been waiting since September 2018. That's when I first blew it up.
What was that anyway? You're going to disclose that, are you? You're going to keep that quiet?
Yeah.
Okay, fair enough.
But, yeah, just so glad to have it back.
Yeah, it's been a while. When I had mine off the road, I was just like itching to get it back. Itching to get it back. So, as everyone knows, when I sort of featured the videos, it was in the car park for ages, and Keenan was very patient with us. He came down a few times. I was like, just got to try and get on it. But my goal was to start it and get it running for Christmas, which I managed to do. And I've just basically been on it since after Christmas, just to get it done, so we can get it back and I can get it out of my hands. So cool. So yeah, so that's all done. Drove it this morning, took Keenan out on it. He was happy. So he's going to take it home now and try and get insured on it. Good luck.
Yeah. And yeah, hopefully on the road soon.
Yeah, cool. Alright then. Well, cheers for chatting, Keenan.
Sweet, thank you for all the work.
So that's it for this weekly update. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell to get reminded of when these come out. We try and get them out regularly. I think there's normally about 2 a week. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.